Hey guys, we're back.
Hi.
Where you at?
Say hi.
Hi.
The kiddos. Anyway, so we decided today that we're gonna go on, what was it called? Hamlin Hills?
Hamlin Hills Farm.
Hamlin Hills Farm. Road trip. So, let's have some fun. You'll be famous. Oh my gosh. That's not cute. What do you want to tell everybody? What are you going to tell everybody? They're waiting on your response. What are we telling them? Where are you going today?
To the farm.
To the farm? What else are we on?
To the house.
To the house. I don't know about the house, but maybe a park or something too, huh?
To the pond. I'm gonna tell them. I hope you guys can come, and I hope you guys can come so you guys can see the farm and say hi to our kids.
Oh.
Can you say hi to the tracks? The train tracks?
Oh, train tracks, yeah.
Hi to the train tracks.
Well, we gotta start
I
recording.
hope you guys come to the farm and say hey to our kids and our mamas and our dadas.
What?
And me and Baba.
Is it? You're gonna have to roll that window down, girl. That reflection's killing you. Look at that. That's a huge house.
Window down. I want my window down. Window.
Are you going down? Oh, that's my window. That's my window.
Give me to see my eyes, Daddy. That's mine is loose.
I'm hungry.
Me too.
What are you doing?
I want you to
You wanna eat?
my t-shirt.
Huh?
What?
That's
What would you like to eat, babe?
cool.
I'm hungry too.
No,
What would you like to eat?
no, no.
I don't know.
Give me. Water.
No, no. I'm hungry.
It's not water with
Are you guys hungry?
I'm hungry. Give me.
Are
I'm
you
not
hungry?
I'm not hungry.
What do y'all want to eat?
I don't know. Mama.
What? What are you trying to get? Hello, camera. That's still recording, obviously.
Okay. I'm gonna go eat.
Nice crotch shot. I'll have to edit that out. Okay. What is everything gonna be so far away?
I mean, we could have went somewhere closer, but what's the fun of that? Road trip.
All of it was the opposite direction of where we had to go.
Come on, food.
We're gonna like maybe crash. We're already passing the interstate.
Can't really see.
Stick your arm out the window. Why are we recording the road? Oh my god. I don't know if that was an udder or something else. I was like, whoa, that was... Look, it's a smoke.
I've been getting out of bed these past few days. Think it's fair to be proud about it. I've quit ordering from all those fast food chains. I'm feeling better, there's no doubt about it. And my days are brighter, my shoulders are so much lighter. Just for a moment there, I thought that there was nothing more to life. I thought about it, wrote a couple songs about it. Just for a moment there, I lost myself. Mind if I be real for a minute? It's almost like everything I feel had a limit. It now gone past, finding reasons to smile and to laugh. And whenever it's a bad day, music is my band-aid. All the lights, spent an hour with my memories, and then I realized it's not all black and white. Like I was colorblind, but mentally, yeah. Now my days are brighter, just no longer feeling tired. I don't wear my PJs every day, cause I would rather be on site. I thought about it, wrote a couple songs about it. Just for a moment there, I lost myself. Whenever it's a bad day, music is my band.
Alright. You ready? We're at Wendy's, so we're gonna get some food.
I have to cut this out, but
Do you see her face? You're crazy. Tim, what are you doing?
I want cheeseburgers and chicken and fish.
Okay, we're only gonna get one thing. So, we gotta go inside and get this so we can get the form. Because
Come on.
it's only like 3 o'clock. Close 6, so let's go. Other people, shut up. Quick, let's go. Come on, quick, quick, quick. So, we finally just got to Hamlin Hills Farm. And, of course, as you can see, everyone's eating right now. We just got our food. Come to find out they have a barbecue here. Probably would have eaten that. But we'll show you all everything in a second when we finish our food. So, and hopefully we'll see some animals. Woo!
Yeah.
So, looks like we drove pretty much almost an hour and a half, 2 hours for nothing. When we got there, I guess they just decided to close the doors then. It says they don't close till 6 p.m. every day during the week. I don't know, particularly the people that are own it are still here. I don't know why they're closing it. I don't know. So, but we're still going to show you some stuff from the outside. What we can see. So, it's not a fully wasted trip. See if we can't find something else around here. there's the owner right there, or whoever that is, doing whatever. But anyways, so this could be a strawberry field. I'm not sure, but there's a whole bunch of things here from what it looks like. They have like a little restaurant which is up over there, and it said barbecue, but either way, it said open until 6. But we're gonna see if we can't find another place to go to in the meantime. And you know, it's their loss. I mean, I'm not gonna say it's necessarily public exposure, but you know, I explained that we came for over 2 hours to come see this place, and he didn't really have an answer for us, or honestly didn't really seem to care. So I don't know if we will ever come back to this place, but for now we're gonna try to do something positive and keep it going. Thanks, guys. So we found, what was it, Dauset Nature Trails Park Reserve Center, something like that.
Yeah.
Dauset Trails Nature Center. So we found that, and now we have till 5 o'clock. We have 1 hour to check this place out. So animal exhibits and everything else, visitor sign is that way. So we'll see y'all in a minute.
See you in a minute. Look at a pine cone.
You guys excited?
Yeah.
Turn around, look at Daddy. You're all excited?
Yeah.
Yay!
Ready? I think it says farm animals are straight. That's what it says.
This way.
Please no pets, bikes, or outside food for animals.
Bubba, wait, sweetie.
I know you're crazy, but come here, buddy. Look at this bridge, man. Look at this. Oh, it's so pretty. Look, a squirrel. No, he's running. He's running away. Look at all this, man. Look.
Look at the bird.
Man, look at this.
We're coming.
Oh, dear.
Do you see the goose? Look, come here. There's a goose.
Where?
Oh, dear, I can see the juice.
Come here. Come here, there's a turtle in the water too. See his head?
Where? Oh, there's a turtle. Let's look at the turtle. There's
I
a
don't
turtle.
see it, Daddy.
Look right here. You see the goose right there? There's a turtle head right there.
That's a wooden log.
Is it?
You tricked me.
Sorry. There's a goose right there.
Look at that. Nice. Oh, there's some more out there swimming. Ready, buddy? Come on, bud.
Guys, stop. Wait for Daddy. See the fox over there? The fox over there.
Animal Trail, farm animals, reptiles, located in our wonder room. Come on. Come on, crazies.
I see one! I see one! I saw one!
Come on, quick.
I saw one.
That's inside the room.
This is maps.
No, that's...
Maps.
Hang on, guys. Bubba, wait.
Info box. Bike hike maps. Park maps. Let's see.
Hang on, Bubba.
We've got a map. Here, hold the map. It's hard to do this with a camera. Where are we going? Come on, buddy.
You'll see foxes in a minute. Hold on.
There's foxes over here. There's barnyard animals. We got a lot of walking to do. You better move them feet. Come on. Come on. Walk, 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 walk. Oh, I'm gonna run. I'm gonna beat you guys. Oh, you guys are fast. Oh, this is an otter pen. There's an otter in here? It says there's an otter.
What ornament?
Otter. I don't see an otter. I see no otters. I see a child though. I see a scarlet. Maybe there's an otter in there. There's an otter right there. Look, there's an otter.
What? Him. I can't.
He's in the little hole, sleeping.
There's probably two of them in there.
Oh, my
Yeah.
Look, he's moving.
Oh, wait, we waked him up.
Tired. He's tired.
No, we waked him up.
All right, quick. Barnyard exhibits this way. Get closest at 5.
Barnyard exhibit.
You guys are so fast. Slow down, slow down, slow down. So the sea farm animals are this way.
Yeah.
Hey, we're gonna go. Listen, guys. Listen. We're gonna go this way, and then we're gonna come back this way.
You don't want to go look at the barnyard stuff first?
Oh, let me see. Let me see the trail. Let me see the trail. Come here.
I want to see a farm.
Because if we go this way,
Because they kind of move stuff around.
I don't know. I guess let's just check this, and then we'll have to come back over here. All right, come here. Oh, hold on. We'll come back over here. We're just gonna go this way. Quick! Oh, what are we looking at? Oh my gosh. What is it?
And a farm.
Oh my gosh. I don't think those are foxes. I think those are coyotes. Those are coyotes. You guys never seen a coyote before? Check this out.
Okay, I don't see a coyote before.
Looks like a hyena boy.
It's looking at me and it saw me.
Yep.
Kind of does look like a hyena, doesn't he?
Maybe they're back.
All right, you ready? Come on. Hey. Come on, we gotta go see the farm animals before they close. Come on. This way. Don't run too far. Come back. All right, come here. We have a plan. Come here. Come here. All right, on the count of 5, we're gonna run and we're gonna leave your mother. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Go, run. Run, quick. These kids are beating me. They're so much faster than I am. Okay, slow down. It's too much.
Faster than you.
You are faster than me. I don't even know which way we're going. Come on, babe. Stop being so slow. Come here.
This could be something that
I'm
we
like
do.
so out of shape. But look, Barnyard Exhibit, we're here.
Best thing about this is that it's free.
Now, all of
Free
it's
exercise for the
free,
children.
so but this is where the Barnyard Exhibit is, and I think there's talking about some gates closing, so I'm not really sure what they mean, but we'd have to. There's a what?
Oh my god.
Oh,
Careful,
slow down, girl.
Gotta watch out for the roots. There's
You
tons
should.
of
Oh my
roots.
gosh, you got dirt on your hand. You're so dirty. Dirty. You want me to throw you down the well? There's a well over there. There's a well over there.
There's a syrup kettle. Ooh.
There's a syrup kettle.
Bubba.
The well. It's a well. That's what water comes from, sweetie.
Well? What well?
A W-E-L-L. A well.
I want to go see it. I want to go see these birds.
What's over there?
I want to go see these.
You're looking at goats down there.
There's goats over there.
No.
You know? Well, then come on, Mrs. You know. Come on.
Let's go see it.
Well, then go see it. Go, quick.
Let's go.
Crazy.
Go see.
You're looking at the goats. Look, he's eating. Look, he's eating.
I touched one.
You touched one. Why you don't be careful? I don't know.
I touched his back.
Well, I don't think we're supposed to be touching them. I didn't see anything where it said we could touch them. Matter of fact, I swear it said no petting, so you should get your hands out of there right now.
Oh.
Are we tired?
Oh. Really? It's been a long day, huh?
Look at the rest of these guys. Look.
They're like a weight. I don't know if that's a goat. Because he has horns. That's not a goat.
This is a goat, baby. These are all goats. I don't even know if that's how goats make a noise. Bah. 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 Oh my gosh, it actually looked. You were doing it so well. That's crazy. What are you doing? Do that again, girl. What was that? Look. There he goes. Bye. Hello. No one can see you over there. Oh, wow. Do that again. Go back. Oh, jump. Do it again. Jump again. No. Go back. Do it again. Do it again. Let's hear it. That was cool, dude. Jump. Do it. You can do it. Jump. No, don't. Jump.
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 Come on.
All right, well, we're going to take the camera off you if you're not going to jump. Look at that one over there. You going to jump? Oh. Whoop. No, we're just going to stand. Goats have a habit of just standing there, man. Oh, we're getting some action. Woo! Yeah. Oh, look, it's running. Look. Wow. That was cool, wasn't it?
Okay, let's go get
Oh,
some.
the other one, look. The other one came to join.
Oh, yay.
That's cool.
Wait.
Hey, you guys want to go see the rest of them? Oh my gosh. Come on, Tim. Let's go see the rest of them.
Yes! Go, 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 go. Go, go, go.
You don't want to come see them? You didn't want to see them?
I was watching this one eat.
Oh, okay.
At the same time. You hear Bubba? He said, "Go, girl, go, girl."
Hey, slow down, baby. Hey, don't get too far. I'm wearing jeans. It's hot out. Hey, family.
Hi.
I don't know, family who's watching, I guess. I know you guys have to watch. You gotta watch something. You can't tell me you don't. Snoopers. Anyway. Yeah, buddy. There's a well over there, guys. You see the well?
Guys, got it. Wait.
It's an actual well. It's pretty cool. I mean, they closed it off, but still, it's cool. So, we got some more animals to see. These kids are outrunning me. Whew, what is this? I wonder what this is. Keep off. You guys know what this is? Let me know, because I'm not really sure.
This is the syrup.
I mean, if y'all are this excited about chickens, where are the chickens? Come in here.
Can I see?
All right, let me see. Let me get in here.
Here's the other chicken.
Oh my gosh.
God.
Can y'all see these chickens?
Wait, maybe that one. Maybe.
That big one right there.
Look at that. Look at these chickens in here. There are chickens all up there.
Oh, you just.
There's chickens all up there too. There's chickens up there too. Wow. Can you see them? All right, hey guys, look. There's pigs. Look at
Guys.
Pig! Ew, that's a stinky pig.
The donkey.
Mommy,
we got some horses.
the pig
There's a
is
donkey here too.
stinky.
We actually saw a cow. Oh, way back there. Way back there.
Oh my god, his butt.
Oh my god, his butt. You're hilarious.
Do not
See-
reach in the fence. They bite.
Do not reach.
Hey, buddy. What are you doing?
Wait,
Back up.
they bite?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course they do.
No.
Wow, look how big he is, dude.
He's a big guy. I'm surprised he's moving around that good.
Huge.
Look at his butt.
All right. Well, we got to get back over to the other side, guys, okay?
Yes.
We're going to get a pig and we're going to get chickens. What do you want?
He has poop in his butt.
Oh my gosh. Hey, listen. Chickens and pigs. We're going to get them.
They got more pigs up there.
Okay, come on. We got to go see the other animals.
They got another. Want chicken?
Hey, you want a chicken?
They're pretty cool coop. The only thing that you'll be worried
Tim.
about is them digging underneath.
Want a chicken? Say it. Say, I want a chicken.
Chicken.
Hey, Scarlett. You said they what? They stink.
Yeah,
Say it.
they stink.
Oh, they stink. You stink.
Sewer
Dude,
owls.
you guys found the bird owls.
Whoa.
Look at that.
He
Whoa.
has a baby chick.
There's another
Where?
Male.
What in the world? How does he have a
food.
How does he have a chicken in his mouth?
Well, there's another chick on the ground over
There
there.
is a chick. I don't think they're supposed to have those, to be honest.
Yeah, they eat chicks.
I don't think so. But look at these guys. Wow, man.
Oh.
Wow.
I'm surprised they're alert right now.
Me too.
I don't know if this is healthy, guys, but if you guys see this on this nature trail, you might want to say something. All right, let's keep going. Come on. There's a bear over here, dude. Oh, there's two of them. Oh my gosh.
Oh, that's a bear.
Oh my gosh.
That's a bear.
That's a huge bear, dude.
I don't know if they have babies. Maybe they do.
Whoa. Where's the other bear?
Right over there.
He's right there. You're right, baby. Look at that.
Wait, they have a pond.
They do.
Wow. Look how big he is. What big ears you have? Yeah. I'm such a child. You guys see them?
There's one.
Oh yeah, look at those deer over there. Awesome, we found some deer. What is that?
Eagle.
What is it, guys? It's a what?
It's an eagle.
It's an eagle. What is it, Timothy?
It's an eagle.
Dude, he's like staring at me down. I'm sorry, what did I do?
He had a chick too, so I think that's their dinner. The groundhog?
Yeah, it's a hawk that's grounded. Some red-tailed hawks, boy. Look at that. That's cool.
Four.
Oh my gosh, there's a groundhog, but I don't see it. He's probably in the ground.
He's in his little
He's-
cat bar.
And it's a bobcat. Another cat laying down there in the back.
So cute. I could see a baby one.
Yeah. So, dude, they have a bison, white-tailed deer, wild turkey, turkey vulture, black vulture. We got a deer right here hanging out, and right over here, if we can get to it before it stops recording. All right, so we're back. We actually visited, what is it called? Hamlin Hills Farm. And when we got there, as you heard earlier, didn't go so well. They said that they closed at 6. And that was, I think, like Sunday through Thursday or whatever. Pretty much the entire week. It says 10 to 6 p.m. We got there, and the guy was closing at 3:30. So it was kind of confusing since people were still there. But we actually lucked out. We found another place called Dauset Trails Nature Center, and they said as long as you're there before 4, you can come in, and they close at 5. The unfortunate part is while we were going through there, I didn't have a secondary battery or a backup camera. Shame on me, right? I should have known better. And I even thought about it. But the camera's battery died, and so we only got to record partially going through the park. Because there's so much more. So we are actually going to go there a second time, and we're going to go through that, of course, you know, and really enjoy it and take you guys there with us that second time. But we are going to show you what we did this time. And just take you along with for the ride and the journey. But you got anything you want to say?
No.
Okay. We had fun. It was a little frustrating, of course, you know. But yeah, we're gonna upload it and hope you guys enjoy it.
Yep.
Thanks.
Thank you.
We'll see you guys on the next one.
See ya.